Whoa, what's growing on? Actually, this is more of a what's ripening video, and today I'm going to be opening a box of mangoes from my good friends Dr. Campbell, Ian, Tiago down there in Homestead. These guys are awesome. I just got my third box of the season. I did not have a chance to pick up the camera for the second box. I believe there was some Malika in there. I forget the second one that was in there, but it was delicious. But I can tell you, in that first box I opened a I know there was a Cambodia, and when I opened the box, I kind of forgot a little bit of the history or the story behind that Cambodia. And that is, I believe, like one of those wild mangoes. So we have different species of mangoes that do much better in like Central America, the areas that get a ton of rain. So it's not your typical Mangifera indica. It's a whole nother species, and there's a whole slew of those. I got a friend, my buddy Joe Hewitt, in Hawaii, who's trying a bunch out. You know, it's pretty much the only thing that he struggles with there because of all the monsoonal rains they get. They don't dry out enough, and it's not dry enough to produce great mangoes. So I got a box sitting here, as you can see. Priority mail just came in the mail. And I actually have an email from Dr. Campbell where he kind of gets some detail on each one of these mangoes that are in the box. So I'm going to try to read that, open this, do all that at once. We'll see how that goes. Hold on. Got my little mango eater coming in here. There. Whoa! All right, read the names off. Come on.
All right. Namor.
No. Nam Dak Mai.
Oh, Nam Dak Mai.
Yeah, you just saw the end and you thought it was Namois.
What was to say?
Oh, look at this little guy. Castori. So this is another one of those wild mangoes. What else we got in there, Gab? Show us what we're working with.
All right, I'll grab this one. I can't say this one. This one's a little hard to say. If you could say that for me.
Some kind of Mercurival Marvel? Mercurival Marvel? I don't know. I'm not very good at that one either, buddy. Oh, I know that one's good. Can you tell us that one? I know I can.
Nectar of Neptune.
Nectar of the Neptune. Okay. What else we got in here, bro? This is like a variety box.
We got Joe Allen.
Joe Allen. Okay. Wow.
Sunburst. This one's really good.
Yeah. So I will tell you, Tiago texted me yesterday. He said your box got delivered. You got the first sunburst of the season. So thank you, sir. Whoa. What else we got?
We got the Nectar of Neptune once more.
Once more. I think that one right there, the one that has a different shape to it's a little bit different.
This is the Big Saturn.
Big Saturn. Whoa. All right, well, this is supposed to be a tasting video, Gav. You want to help me figure out which one's ripe and we can eat?
Sure, we got one more.
Some one of those Castori.
Castori.
Whoa.
Little ones are, I think.
So start smelling them. Tell me which one has the most mango-esque flavor or scent.
This one's good.
That one smells good?
This is the Nectar of Neptunes. Yeah.
How do those smell?
I think the Nectar of Neptune's got the first place right now.
Go ahead. That one's not ready. That's that Big Saturn.
Let's try Sunburst. This one looks really good. Oh, yeah.
That one's ready?
Yeah.
I will tell you that I think that's a Nam Dak Mai number 4. Nam Dak Mai is probably one of my favorite mangoes. Those will be at the Mustang Market here soon. They're coming into season usually about the end of May, early June. Delicious mango. Doesn't look like that one's ready. Actually, it looks like only the Sunburst and the Nectar of Neptune is ready to try for this video. So this is just some of the epicness that you get when you know Dr. Richard Campbell. Beautiful mangoes. So yeah, I'm spoiled. All right. So we're gonna show them how we cut up a mango here, Gavin.
Yep.
Write down the seed, a little bit of jelly. That one's slightly overcooked.
My favorite part is the heart.
The heart? You mean the seed?
Yep.
All right, hold on. Let me cut this for you, buddy.
Whoa. Oh yeah, the full.
I can smell it.
It smells really good. It's probably gonna be really good. It's definitely gonna be really
Pop
good.
it. Whoa!
Let's get a close up on that.
It smells like orange juice. Hold on, don't eat it. I gotta get that on.
That is super good.
It's a delicious one?
Yeah, this is really good.
So what kind of flavors? Does it remind you of any other fruit? Let's pretend there's kids at home and they're watching Gavin eat this and they've only eaten stuff from the grocery store.
I think it tastes like lemon zest or like the.
I don't know lemon zest. Is there another fruit it tastes similar to, like a combination of? Does it taste like strawberries or?
I get peach and banana.
A peach and banana-ish? Banana?
Yeah, it's like a little bit. I taste a little bit of banana in it. It's really good.
Whoa!
It may not sound good together, but it's really good.
Tear it up! Tear it up! So legit? Do I get pound mango? Pound mango.
It's got a little bit of taste of watermelon as well. It's really good.
You got watermelon? I don't know where you got all those crazy flavors. We're gonna go ahead and cut up this other one here real quick. So I'm gonna cut this one for myself. I'm gonna do a quick little taste to see what I can compare this to.
Mangoes are the best.
This one's definitely a little jelly, slightly overcooked. Let's see how this guy is. Whoa!
If it's not the best, we'll try the other Neptune. I'll get this close.
Whoa.
This one looks really good.
This one does look good. Nice and meaty.
Let's hope it's not too soggy though. I like it a little bit hard.
This one's definitely harder than the last one, buddy.
Okay.
Whoa. Oh, well, that one's mine. Don't be stealing my mango, dude.
I'm trying to get it close.
You see what he's trying to do here? Gotta watch this guy. All right. What are we working with?
Let me get this big piece.
Which one was better?
This is just harder, but that one's way more tastier. This one's good. This one's
You got mango all over your lips, dude. Whoa. Legit?
It's the best, yeah.
Which one was better?
It's really good.
Is there any sour or any subacid or just sweet?
It's just a little, like, not sour, but it's got a little tang of it.
Little tang,
like, it's really good.
Little bite.
All
right,
Try these.
let's see what we're working with here. I get to eat too.
Neptune. Yeah, that one's really tasty. Try this one though.
I get a little bit of that floral kick. There's absolutely zero fiber on this. It just kind of melts in your mouth like butter. I'm literally sucking it off of there, no teeth required.
I might have to admit, this one's a little better.
Which one?
It's got like a pineapple taste to it.
You hear this guy? He's already selling out.
Here, try this.
Oh, whoa. I'll get my own. All right.
It's good, right? Pineapple, right?
Pineapple-esque, yeah. Get a little pineapple, little tropical essence. None of that subacid.
It's really good, right? So
Okay,
in your
I'm a
opinion,
sloppy mess.
which one do you like better?
It's hard to tell. I think it was whichever one was in my hand and I was eating at that time. They're both pretty.
This is more pineapple-ish. I like it.
The bigger one? The bigger one. Gavin says more pineapple-ish, so pretty epic. Let's see what Dr. Campbell has to say about these mangoes. Whoa.
Pineapple's not my favorite fruit, but this makes me want to eat it more.
Pineapple's not your favorite fruit?
Yeah.
Okay, so everybody knows this Sunburst is one of Dr. Campbell's celestial series. It's one of his personal favorites. It's full of citrus and sugarcane. This is a tropical mango, pretty much as tropical as a mango can get. You can eat it while it's still slightly firm. So how Gavin said it had a little bit of a hardness to it. It was still really good like that. This is actually the Nam Doc Mai number 4. This isn't ready yet. This was collected by Dr. Campbell in Thailand after he was doing a bunch of testing in a county. That means he was basically eating them in this county in Thailand, and he selected this one. So this is Nam Doc Mai number 4, selected by Dr. Campbell while he was in Thailand. Pretty amazing.
This one's not ready.
Okay, where's that Mercurial Marvel? Where's that guy at?
That's what you were just holding.
Was that this?
Yeah, it's not ready yet. I don't think so.
So this Mercurial Marvel is an experimental a celestial series, again by Dr. Campbell. It has its roots in Southeast Asia, specifically Vietnam. So he said this one's not quite ready yet. I can't really give too much on it. Where's that Nectar of the Neptune?
That's
Nectar of the Neptune is small.
We also just ate one of them.
This had excellent flavor, didn't it?
Yeah, I think it was great. That's also ready as well.
So this is an exceptional mango. Very impressed with this one. Was there a Joe Ellen in here, Gavin?
This is right here.
Whoa, Joe Ellen was selected on Pine Island, Florida. Typically, Pine Island is known for its pirates and scofflaws, but in the case we were focusing on the island's mangoes. So on the west coast of Florida, we've got Pine Island. which is a great tropical place to grow that's completely surrounded by water, almost just as warm as Homestead. And this was the lady's farm that this came off of was named Joe Ellen. So where's that Castori?
Here.
So these aren't mangoes. These are actually a different species. They are native to Indonesia, and they're extinct in the wild now. And they have kind of like, I guess, the flavor of a lychee. You want to try one?
I bet it does.
You want to try one? Let's
This
try
one's
one of these.
overripe.
This one feels ready.
This one feels like a little squishy, so it's like maybe a little overripe.
Oh, this is one. This one's ready, buddy. Let's try this one.
Oh, did
Whoa.
you talk about Big Saturn?
We're getting to that one. We're getting to that one. Let's see this one. I want to see you eat this one.
Oh yeah. I bet it's good. Wait, what does it look like? It looks like one of the things that have seeds in them. What are they called?
Whoa!
Let's see how this tastes.
So Dr. Campbell explained the flavor on this one almost like a lychee. Gavin, suck it out of there. Tell me what we're working with. It's definitely ripe. I can tell by the little bit of a jelly look. Lychee-esque?
I don't think it's ready yet, but
Oh, I think it was
Pretty good.
over ready, or maybe it was just not picked at the proper time. Although Dr. Campbell's pretty good at that, so that's
Yes.
not likely.
yes, there's a lychee taste.
There's the lychee flavor?
Yeah.
Whoa, Castori, lychee flavor. So, see what else we're working with here, buddy. Whoa. All right, so that is definitely a beautiful little mango. What else do we got here, buddy? What else do we got?
We got
Let's
big.
inspect some more.
Nope.
Dr. Campbell didn't give us any info on that one, buddy. Maybe next time. So, Big Saturn, save it for the next video. What do you think?
It smells good.
Gavin, do you get as excited as I do when a box of mango shows up from Dr. Campbell?
Oh my God, it's so awesome.
How many times have we been down there?
Wait, that
Couple now?
Maybe 3 times? Yeah,
Yeah.
it's a couple.
Please excuse Gavin's hairdo. That is the quarantine
wake-up.
hairdo,
It's
the
the
wake-up
wake-up.
hairdo. It is fairly early in the morning. I'm getting ready to hit the road for some jobs, and obviously all the barbershops are closed with this whole quarantine madness. So when are we getting our haircut? Hopefully soon?
Soon.
All right. Gavin, you dig mangoes?
I love mango.
I can tell you're all stained around your mouth,
The
dude.
lychee one is.
Can I get a
red.
pound mango? Would you bring it up there?
You
Give me a
ready?
pound mango,
You ready?
dude.
Pound mango.
Oh, whoa, dude, you got mango juice on my screen, man. Ah.